Hey YouTubers, welcome to another episode of VGO Tech. Here I have with me today is a different take on the Magsafe charger. It's a brand called SCharge, and what it is called the ICEMAG. And the difference about this is that, as you can see from the picture, you have these cooling vents that come outside here and here. But what the unique about this is what they have called a turbo cooling. So there's a little fan in here so that when you're doing the wireless charging, that it doesn't heat up the phone. And you know how some of them, they can get hot. Well, this is supposed to lower the temperature of the charging, and so that prevents it from heating up as much. Now this is a 10,000 milliamp battery, and it's a plus 20 watt max. And as you can see here, it's your typical Magsafe charger, and you have some information here on the back, input, output, some pictures. As you see here, there's an indicator light, a cooling fan, the air outlet, USB-C port, wireless charging, air intake, and the button. So let's go ahead and get this open. Let's see here, here. There's also packaging is very nice. As you can see here, we have the packaging for the cable, and it is a, oops, kind of switch it a little bit. It is, looks like a USB-C, it's a USB-C cable charger. Yes, short USB-C to USB-C cable charger. And then you actually have the SCharge itself. Here you have the instructions, warranty information, some lights, some other stuff. Let's get down to the ICEMAG itself. As you can see here, SCharge, 10,000 milliamp, ICEMAG, stay cool on the move. So what they're trying to imply is that you should be able to charge your phone, and that it's supposed to stay cool and not heat up your phone or your Magsafe charger. Remove the protective film. You can see here, you see the components here and the fan here. It's pretty cool looking. And here is the indicator for the battery level, and here is the wireless charging, which is Magsafe. And here's the air vent, and another air vent here, and then input for USB-C. And this is the power on. Let's see if there's any juice in here. So as you can see here, it has a juice of 3 already. So let's see how to turn this on. Holding it down turns it off, I believe. And I have my phone here. And as you can see here, it starts charging. There is a noise with the fan, as you can see with the light. It kind of sounds like a jet engine fan revving up. You see it is charging, and doesn't seem as hot actually. And it does have different color LEDs on here, so when it's charging, and these are the indicators that it is charging. So not bad, pretty cool. So when I take it off, the fan cuts off. Since it's no longer needing to charge, it'll cut off the fan, and I believe you just hold it down to turn it off. And there you have it, the ICEMAG SCharge Magsafe charger. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.